Hetep, Hetep. Welcome and belong. My name's Joseph and I'll be taking you through Egyptian yoga this morning. Sun shining bright, so there's no better way to start the morning than actually doing some yoga to stretch out the body, relax the mind, stretch out the body, the muscles in the body, relax the mind, so you can start your day fresh. So to start off our practice, we're going to do what is called pranayama, which is a breathing exercise. So we're going to do some Kapalabhati, which is a rapid in and out breath through your nostrils. As you exhale, it's as if you're going to sneeze through your nostrils and your abdomen contracts. So as you inhale, your abdomen is expanded, and as you exhale, it contracts. Inhale, abdomen is expanded, exhale, it contracts. And then we're just simply going to breathe through our nostrils. So follow my lead. If you feel that you need to take a break as you need. So 3, 2, 1, inhale. Exhale, begin. Don't go for no faster than me, no slower than me. Keep my pace. A lot of little bugs around this morning. As we seek to return to nature, our original nature. And seek restoration and balance. So as we inhale, we're going to take a big deep inhalation. So inhale, make the breath deep even and long. Inhale, fill out all of your lungs right to the top. And as you exhale, release. You can release your shoulders as a shrug and release a sigh as a shrug of relief. Inhale, draw the energy up. So inhale, make the inhalation deep even and long. And as you exhale, release the shoulders, releasing a sigh of relief. One more time. Inhale, make the breath deep, even and long. Fill out the top part of your lungs. And as you exhale, release the shoulders, releasing a sigh of relief. Okay, so we're going to go for the second round. Inhale, exhale, begin. Inhale, take a deep inhalation, draw the energy all the way up, filling up the lungs, up to the tip of the crown. As you exhale, release the shoulders, sigh of relief. Inhale, draw the energy up, all the way to the base of the crown. As you exhale, release the shoulders, a sigh of relief. Okay, good. We're going to do one more round. So as you inhale, exhale, begin. This is called a shining skull, Kapalabhati. So it sends fresh oxygen to your brains. If you feel lightheaded at any point, then please stop. Inhale, deep inhalation. Fill up the top of the lungs, make the energy rise up to the top of the crown. And as you exhale, release the shoulders, releasing a sigh, a shrug, and a sigh of relief. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good, lovely. Now we're going to rub our hands together vigorously and create some internal heat within the hands. And then we're going to rub our face vigorously as if we're washing our face. stimulate our facial muscles. Rub the back of our neck and our shoulders and the sides of our palms. Our arms, our triceps. Good. Shake out the hands. Now we're gonna start to warm up the body. So I'd like you to inhale, raising up your palms. Up to Nut. When I say Nut, I mean the heavens. When I say Geb, I mean the earth. So Nut, the heavens, Geb, the earth. So what we're going to do, we're going to rotate our torso from left to right. So as you exhale, release your elbows in line with your shoulders. We're going to rotate our torso from left to right, releasing an audible shoe sound on each end. So it looks like this. So inhale, 3, 2, 1. We're going to do it. We'll do it for real now. Inhale. Make the movements nice and gentle, no straining, and your head follows in the direction of your torso. 3, 2, 1, begin. Inhale, come back to center. Extend your palms up to Nut, the heavens, and as you exhale, forward fold. Pivoting from the hips, bring the palms down together, earth. Bring the chin to the chest. Extend through the palms and just breathe for me. So inhale as you deep breathe in through your abdomen. Keep the breath deep, even and smooth. Exhale, breathe into whatever area in your body is talking to you, whether that be the back of your neck or your lower back. As we learn how to surrender to that which is greater than us. As you inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale, release the palms down to the sides. So we're going to take a lateral side bend. As you inhale, raise the right palm up to Nut. Walk the fingers out on the left palm. Exhale, lateral side bend. Allow the head to fall naturally. As you stretch out the side body, open up your heart. So you're turning your right shoulder back towards the back wall. Keep breathing for me. As you inhale, raise that right palm up to Nut. Exhale, release it down to Geb the earth. As you inhale, raise that left palm. Walk the fingers out on the right palm. Exhale, lateral side bend. Just surrender into the pose. Open up the heart so that your shoulder, left shoulder is moving back towards the wall. And just hang out. Nothing to go, nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just be. Inhale, raise that left palm up. Exhale, release. So we're going to take a twist. Place your right palm onto your left knee. Left palm behind you, lengthen through the crown. And as you exhale, you're going to rotate to turn to look over your left shoulder. Try not to push into any tension. Just breathe. Allow the posture and the breath to breathe you. As you inhale, rotate back to center, swap palms. Lengthen through the crown. As you exhale, rotate to turn to look over your right shoulder. As you give the spine a nice twist. To wake it up, inhale, come back to center. To wake it up start to wake it up. All right, so the soles of the feet are going to be 2 feet apart or hip width apart as you bend your knees. place the palms behind you. As you exhale, you're going to allow your knees to fall over to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, allow them to fall over to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, allow them to fall over to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, allow them to fall over to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Now bring the soles of the feet together. We're going to do butterflies. Allowing the knees to just bounce out gently. So just allow them to bounce out and the inner groin to start to open up. As you start to wake up the body, inhale, bring the knees back to center. All right, to start the practice, right, that was really just a warm-up. Just to kind of get the body loose and limber. To start the practice, we're going to start with 3 sounds. The first is going to be an ah sound. We're going to feel that resonating underneath our groin, rising up towards our heart center. It's going to be an ah, as in A, as in the apple, ah. We exhale into the sound. The second sound is going to be an ooh sound. Except we feel that resonating in our heart center. We circle the lips as in ooh, as in moo, ooh, as in moo for cow. Then the third sound is going to be a sound. We feel that vibrating in our throat chakra. It's going to be a sound as in mum. And then we'll bring it all together in one long And long is to seek to resonate and vibrate with the frequency of the universe, be in tune with the universe, cosmic order. As you inhale, okay, palms facing upwards, wrists on your knees. As you inhale, as you inhale, as you inhale, and now bring it all together with one long Inhale. Lovely. So we're going to come onto all fours. Knees in line with your hips. Palms in line. Or underneath your arms underneath your shoulders. You can take a few cat-cows. As you exhale, you're going to tilt your pelvis, soften the shoulders, chin to chest, allowing the pelvis to rock backwards. Exhaling into the hips, inhale, reversing the flow, bring the shoulder blades to meet behind you, tailbone points up towards the back wall. Take the head up to this nut, this heavens, take the gaze to the tip of your nose. Exhale, tilt the pelvis, soften the shoulders, chin to chest. Inhale, reverse the flow. Bring the shoulder blades together, tailbone points up, head comes up towards the nut. Take the gaze to the tip of the nose. Exhale one more time, tilt the pelvis, soften the shoulders, chin to chest. Now we're going to walk our palms out, one hand's length in front of us. We're going to take an extended child pose. Exhale, bring the crown down towards the earth. Crown in front of your elbow, in between your elbow. And just breathe into the lower back and into the back of the neck. Soften the tongue, the jaws. And just breathe all along the side body, the back body. Come up onto all fours again for me. Palms underneath your shoulders. we're going to thread the needle, all right? So we're going to take the left palm up towards knot, take the gaze of that palm, and as we exhale, we're going to thread it underneath our right armpit. So take the back of the left palm, elbow, shoulder, and left ear onto geb, and left ear onto geb the earth. Extend the other palm out in front of you towards the edge of your mat. As you inhale, come up onto all fours for me. Now we're going to do it opposite side this time. So take inhale, raise the right palm up. Take the gaze to the ceiling. As you exhale, you thread it underneath your left armpit. Bring the back of the right arm, elbow, shoulder, and right ear onto geb the earth. Extend the other palm out in front of you towards the edge of your mat. Bring that right palm back in line with your head, pushing yourself back up, coming onto all fours. Now from here, we're going to raise the left knee and rotate the knee 3 times clockwise, getting into the hip joint, and then 3 times anti-clockwise. We're going to start with the right. Lift up right knee 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Good. So from here, you're going to simply roll back, roll the toes under, and roll onto the soles of the feet. So you're going to roll onto the soles of the feet, all right? Feet slightly wider than shoulders width apart. Elbows inside your knees. Palms into prayer position. As we come into Malasana, Yogi Squat. Just sit here for a moment, lift up the chest. As we come to standing, we're going to root down through the soles of our feet, all right? So as we inhale, we're going to come up to standing. Raise your palms above the crown. Exhale, gentle back bend. Inhale, bring your palms up. Into taking, exhale, coming down. So inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale as you come down. As you inhale, you're going to push down through the heels, squeezing up through your tailbone, joining in navel. So everything is compact, one unit. Extend the palms all the way up to knot. Exhale, gentle back bend. Release the palms, cactus the arms. Take the gaze up to knot. Inhale, coming up. Palms into a teka. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, release, gentle back bend. Inhale, coming up. Palms into teka. Exhale, coming down. This posture is called noon, emerging from the primordial waters. So we're coming into creation. Exhale, release, gentle back bend. Inhale, coming up. Great for working your quads, your glutes, And then open up your heart center. Opening to feel energized from within as we're starting to activate our solar plexus. Drawing the navel, exhale, release, gentle back bend. Inhale, bring the palms up. Exhale, release the palms. So the palms, elbows are in line with the shoulders. Right palm faces out and upwards. Left palm faces out and upwards. Shu, separation of air and space. So we're going to use the breath to separate the heavens and Geb, the earth. So as we exhale, we're going to bend our knees. Pelvis comes backwards. Elbows touch your knees. Inhale, coming up. Keep your palms flat as much as you can. Extend all the way through your arms. Exhale, coming down. Bend the knees. Inhale, coming up. Extend the palms all the way up to the heavens. Come up onto the tips of the toes. Exhale, release the palms down to the sides. Exhale, release, come onto your heels. Good. Feet in a V in the center of your mat. Shu, warm up. Palms 45 degrees, facing outwards. So feet in a V, so you're standing on your square and you're going to rotate your torso from left to right with an audible shu on each end. Go as fast or as slow as you like. Now come back to center. Exhale, release the palms to the waist. Inhale, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, release from the hips. Forward fold, keep your heart up. Lengthen through the crown. Inhale, squeeze, coming up. So we're only going down halfway. Palms onto waist. Exhale, forward fold. Leading with the heart, keeping the head nice and long. Neck nice and long, sorry. Inhale, coming up. All right, good. So feet 2 feet apart, front of the mat. Inhale, bring your palms up halfway. Exhale, release, forward fold, swan dive. Release the palms down together, earth. Inhale, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, fold forward, micro bend the knees. Inhale, sweep the palms out and upwards. Raise them up above your crown. Exhale, bring it down towards your heart center. Inhale, palms halfway. Exhale, release. Chest leads first. Place palms on together, earth. Inhale, lengthen. So you're looking up with your crown. Lengthen, create a nice lengthening of the back. Exhale, forward fold, micro bend the knees. Inhale, sweep the palms up and outwards. Bring the palms above your crown. Exhale, bring it down towards your heart center. Beautiful. How are we feeling? Nice so far? I tell you, it's nice out here. As soon as they deal with this lockdown stuff, then we can be out here. So now we're going to go into our Ujjayi phase, all right? So come to the front of your mat. Feet 2 feet apart. Lengthen through the crown of your head. Front of the mat, feet 2 feet apart. Inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale, forward fold. Palms onto the shins. Inhale, lengthen, lifting up through the heart center. Exhale, forward fold. Place the palms on together. We're going to step back into a high plank. Can't manage the plank, come down onto your knees. Exhale, release yourself down halfway. So we're taking a low plank, coming down all the way onto our abdomen. Point the toes, forward onto the floor. We're going to squeeze the glutes, lifting up through the heart center. That's all we're going to do. Inhale, coming up. Good. Relax the shoulders, roll the shoulders up, back and down. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up onto your knees. Roll the toes under. Exhale, allow the hips to rise. So we're going to walk out the hips, or the hamstrings. So take left, right, deep. steps. Left, right, left, right. Come up onto the tips of the toes. Exhale, allow the heels to fall. Allow the head to fall naturally. As you inhale, you're going to step the left foot forwards. Step the right foot forwards. Palms onto the shins. Bend the knees if you have to. Inhale, lift up through the heart center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, as you sweep the palms outwards and up. Come up to standing, root down through your heels. Bring the palms into the second. Above your crown. Exhale, bring it down towards the heart center. Release. Beautiful. Okay. So we're going to bring down the heavens. So feet slightly wider than your shoulders width apart. Inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale, bring them down. Bending the knees, palms brush the earth, grab the earth. Exhale, come down. Releasing the audible shoo on the way down. As we start to encourage the release of toxins from our body. Opening up our joints, lubricating our joints, relaxing our muscles through fresh oxygen flow. Exhale, release the palms, so the palms are parallel to get the earth. Left foot turns out 90 degrees. The right foot is in line with the outer edge of the mat, back of the mat. As you exhale, you're going to bend your left knee. Warrior two. Inhale, straighten that left knee. Exhale, roll the shoulders back. Try not to allow the left knee to be on the left ankle, or your right ankle, sorry. Inhale, come up to center. Feet pivot inwards. Release the palms so they cross in between your heart center. Raise them out. Right foot turns out, left foot turns out 45 degrees. Right foot is at the back edge of the mat, or in line with the parallel to the outer edge of the mat. The palms are straight. Parallel to get the earth. Exhale as you bend that left knee. 45, 90 degree bend. Warrior two. Inhale, come back up to standing, or limping through the knee. Exhale as you bend that right knee, left knee. Inhale, come back up. Straighten the knee, turn that left foot inwards. Allow the palms to cross in front of your heart center. Raise the palms above your crown. Exhale, bring them down towards your heart center. Exhale, release the palms. Okay, so we're going to take Ujjayi now, the journey of the sun. So stand with your feet 2 feet apart. Inhale, raise the palms up. Into a prayer position above your crown, otherwise known as Tekken. Exhale, bring your palms down towards your heart center. Make a pyramid with your palms. Push down, out and up. Raise the pyramid above the crown. Exhale, bring it down towards the first eye. Extend the palms, leaning back, gentle back bend. Cactus the arms. Inhale, come back up to center. Raise the palms all the way to Nook. Exhale, forward fold. Place the palms on together the earth. You're going to step back with your left foot. Exhale, come down onto your left knee. You're going to inhale, come up into dua, palm soft, elbow soft. So you're going to pivot forwards. As you pivot forwards, open up the groin. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release the palms on together the earth, pushing up off the left knee, stepping back with the right foot high on the toes. Exhale, allow the heels to fall. Inhale, exhale, come down onto your knees. As we inhale, we're going to flow through our palms. So inhale, chin, chest, abdomen, and as we come up into a cobra, exhale at the top. We're going to reverse the flow. So inhale, abdomen, chest, chin. Come back onto the knees, roll the toes under, and as you exhale, allow the hips to rise. Take the gaze to your ivory shins. or your toes. As you inhale, giant step forward with your left foot. Exhale, come down onto your right knee. Inhale, coming up onto your toes. Looking up for an extra stretch. As you exhale, you're going to step forward with your right foot. Bending your knees, making a pyramid on the bottom. As you inhale, raise the pyramid above your crown up to the neck. Exhale, bring it down towards the third side. Extend the palms, lean the back, gentle back bend. Inhale, bring the palms up into a second. Exhale, bring the palms down towards your heart center. As we're seeking to deal with balance, we do the left and right side. So as you inhale, remember feet 2 feet apart. Inhale, raise the palms up above your crown, prayer position. Exhale, bring the palms down into a teflon. Bring your palms down towards your heart center, Sima, which symbolizes balance and unity. Pyramid. Inhale, push down, out and up. Raise the pyramid above your crown. Exhale, bring it down towards the first side. Send the palms, lean it back, gentle back bend. Inhale, coming up, palms parallel to each other. Exhale, forward fold. Pivoting from the hips. Place the palms on in line with the toes. Inhale, giant step back with your right foot. Exhale, come down onto your right. Inhale, come up into door, palm soft, elbow soft. Exhale, pivot forwards. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, place the palms onto nook. Pushing up off the right knee, stepping back high. With the left foot high onto the toes. Pyramid. Exhale, allow the heels to fall. Inhale, exhale, come down onto your knees. So we're going to flow for our palms. So it's going to be inhale, chin, chest, abdomen. Same thing again. So inhale, chin, chest, abdomen. And as we exhale, open up our chest. Roll the shoulders up, back and down. Keep the pelvis onto the floor. Take the gaze to the nook. As you inhale, reversing flow. Abdomen, chest, chin. Come up onto the knees, roll the toes under. Exhale, allow the hips to rise. As you inhale, you're going to make a giant step forward with your right foot. Exhale, come down onto your left knee. Inhale, look up for an extra stretch. Come up on the fingertips, looking up for an extra stretch. Exhale, stepping forward with the left foot. Bending the knees, pyramid. Push your pyramid down, out and up. As you inhale, raising that pyramid above the crown. Exhale, bring it down to the first eye. Extend the palms, lean back, gentle back bend. Inhale, bring the palms up into a second, above your crown. Exhale, bring it down towards your heart center. Exhale, release. Woo-wee. How are you feeling? Should be feeling nice after that. All right, good. So we're simply gonna part the legs slightly wider than the shoulders width apart. Toes pointing inwards. Palms onto the shoulder or hips, lengthen for the crown. Exhale, forward fold. Extended side angle stretch. Bring the palms down onto the earth. Place one palm or your left palm in front of your heart center. Place your right palm onto your hip. Make sure you've got nice even balance between your toes and your heel. And as you exhale, you're going to gently lift that right shoulder. Turning to look over that shoulder. That's all you're going to do. Nothing more, nothing less. As you inhale, come back to center. Release that right palm down to the earth and place the left palm onto your hip. As you inhale, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, lift up that left shoulder. Take the gaze towards nut or over your shoulder. Exhale, release. That left palm back down together. Place the palms onto your soles of the feet. Inhale, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, folding forward. Take the gaze between your legs. These forward folds allow for introspection, creativity, and unique and new ways of looking at old problems or situations. Extend through the legs so you're not allowing the legs to collapse, so the tailbone is pressing up towards the sky or the ceiling. Inhale, come up halfway, place the palms onto the earth. Place the palms onto the waist, chin to chest. Inhale, come up to standing. Walk the toes in, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay. Inhale, raise the palms up. Exhale, bring them down. Release. So we're going to come to the front of our mat. We're going to take a vinyasa. So raise the palms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, palms on the shins, lift up halfway. Lengthening the spine. Place the palms onto Geb, stepping back. Exhale, come down onto your abdomen. Point those toes. Inhale, coming all the way up. Exhale, coming down. Roll those toes under. Exhale, allow the hips to rise. Step that left foot forwards, right foot forwards. Place the palms onto the shins. Good. Allow the head to fall naturally. Place the palms onto the back of the shins or heels. And allow the glutes to press up towards the ceiling. And bring your abdomen towards your thighs. Here, elbows pointing outward. Inhale, coming up halfway. Exhale, place the palms onto your waist. Chin to chest. Inhale, come up to standing. Lovely. Now we're going to come down to seated. So come down onto your mat. First thing we're going to do is the get back rock. So we're going to rock backwards and forwards 9 times.